Hello everyone, welcome back to Chadwick's Real Tips. This week we're focusing on whether to sell your home as is or do some repairs. Well, let's talk about first of all as is. In the contract to buy and sell, when you are receiving a contract, it is ultimately stating that your home is being sold in as is condition, in the condition that which you are listing your property. But when we say as is and you see the words as is, what that basically means is it could very possibly be a distressed property. What that means is that possibly the roof needs replaced, there's some significant repairs, the property is a fixer-upper. And so if you list the property as is, yes, you can sell it, but ultimately you're going to have to lower your price because it will be investors that will be mostly interested in your property. If you increase the condition of your property by doing some repairs, then you can start attracting first-time home buyers, or possibly also someone who wants to use the home as their primary residence. By improving the condition, then you can start asking for a higher price, and it will also sell more quickly. And we're seeing right now in the Colorado market that is no longer as hot as it was. It's a little bit more warm than hot. That condition is an overarching reason of why homes sell quickly and also define price. So condition of a home, think about that if you have a fixer-upper, whether you want to do some upgrades and really get the biggest bang for your buck. We're a free resource for your real estate needs. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. Here are our social media feeds. And Shangela and I wish you an excellent week, and we'll see you next week on Chadwick's Real Tips.